In this video, you are going to learn about the top 5 ways to make money online quickly. Make money off of stock photos and footage. Consider selling photographs and footage online to make a passive income from home if you're a photographer or videographer. It's a fantastic opportunity to pursue your passion while also supplementing your income. Many firms and business owners use stock images from Shutterstock, Pexel, and Getty Images in their marketing campaigns, advertising, and websites. 2. Start dropshipping. Dropshipping is one of the most lucrative business models available. It's a beat-walk business strategy in which you sell things through an online store, but the order is processed and fulfilled by a third-party supplier. Dropshipping is a more convenient alternative to establishing a traditional e-commerce company since it eliminates the headache of dealing with inventory and shipping. 3. Work as a travel advisor. People will want to travel again as soon as the pandemic border restrictions are lifted. The tourist business will undoubtedly grow, increasing the demand for travel experts. A travel consultant arranges for individuals and businesses to have their ideal travel experience by curating it for them. It's a fully online job that's a terrific way for well-traveled individuals or residents who enjoy sharing their favorite sites in town to get money. 4. Learn how to work as a virtual assistant. Making additional money online as a virtual assistant is another option if you enjoy organizing, planning, or performing administrative work. A virtual assistant works as an independent contractor to give support to individuals or enterprises. 5. Invest in stocks. Stock investing is a fantastic strategy to generate passive income. Begin by purchasing a company's shares and then selling it back to the market as the stock's value rises. It can be difficult to get started, but there are numerous websites, podcasts, and YouTube channels that can assist you. They frequently offer tips, tactics, and insights into the greatest stock trading strategies.